Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter issues. To not find a solution about Twitter issues, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to Twitter. Then this page of app on 4 we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and you are watching.